In front of me is POCO X4 GT, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, just open your Play Store, click on your account icon, and go to Manage Apps and Device. And here just click on Updates Available, and right here, let me just stop it. Right here you can either update one particular application by tapping on Update right next to its icon, or if you will cancel it all, you will be able to update all apps at once by tapping on Update All. And then all applications that can be updated on your device would be refreshed and updated. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.